Get a grip. Understanding a popular English phrase. Hello learners! Today, we'll dive into a common English expression that you might hear in various situations. Get a grip. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in sentences. Get a grip is an idiomatic expression in English. It is often used to tell someone to calm down or to act more sensibly. Essentially, it means to control oneself, especially in situations of stress or strong emotions. Example, Jane was panicking before her presentation, so her colleague said, "Get a grip, Jane. You've got this." The exact origin of "get a grip" is unclear, but it likely comes from the idea of physically grasping something firmly. When you have a good grip on an object, it won't slip from your hands. Similarly, when you get a grip on your emotions, they won't get out of control. Get a grip can be used in various contexts. Here are some examples. 1. Stressful situations. 2. You're getting all flustered over a minor issue. Get a grip. 3. Overreactions. 4. It's just a small scratch on your car. Get a grip. 5. Loss of focus. 6. You're letting your imagination run wild and thinking of worst-case scenarios. You need to get a grip and stay grounded. Remember, while "get a grip" can be a helpful reminder, it might come off as dismissive or rude in some contexts. It's essential to consider the feelings of the person you're speaking to. Get a grip is a versatile phrase in the English language. It's a reminder to stay calm and in control, especially during challenging times. We hope this video has provided clarity on the usage and meaning of this popular expression. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the intricacies of the English language.